It really looks so pretty. I'll try to brighten it up a little bit when I edit it. But that is a fabulous little window swag. I love it. These are our dried oranges that we made some time ago. I showed you how I used them to decorate packages and how, you know, these were done in the oven and these were done in the dehydrator. So we're loving the color combination. These look like blood oranges, but they're all regular orange, navel oranges. And I have some fishing line and some bay leaves. So we're gonna see if we can make a nice little home decoration that reminds us of that sun that is on its way back. This is part of Return of the Light. This is a DIY for the home. So I'm gonna put this to the side just for a minute, and we're gonna find some of our bay leaves here. This is a huge, wow, that's huge. Isn't that huge? Look at that. Let's see if we can find some nice whole ones. Bay leaves are associated with protection of the home and encourage healing, purification, and they are said to repel toxic energies and toxic individuals. So what I want to do is make some type of little window swag to hang down. And I think I'm gonna need a needle or some kind of sharp, something sharp, right? Let's see. Okay, so I found my awl, which is a sharp instrument for poking holes in things like leather. And I also have just a regular safety pin. So we'll see. I just want to experiment a bit first. I think I'm gonna need some scissors as well. I just have a piece of fishing line. And so, yeah, that works. Now, our beautiful dried oranges symbolize the sun, and they are associated with prosperity and love, luck, success, and friendship. And their aroma and the way they look bring about a sense of calm and happiness. Now, for these leaves, let's just put a hole. Let's see if that's gonna, oh yeah, that'll work. So that'll work. So you feel like this might, is this gonna tear the leaf? It might. So we probably don't need this one. Okay. So what I'm thinking, where are the holes I made? Here's one. Right here. And then, but then it's gonna slide. Right. Is it gonna slide? If I do it tight enough, maybe it won't slide. That might work. And And how am I going to do this one? I guess that fishing line maybe won't show. Will it? Let's see. So that looks good. Okay, let me do a little bit more and I'll come back. So this is what we have so far. I love it. I'm gonna add, I think I wish I had put more bay leaves in between, maybe every one, but we're gonna just add some on the end here. I think I'm gonna add 2. Oops. I mean, you could glue gun these on, but that's just more, bringing out more stuff, right? So I decided to just try this away. I like how the fishing line is sturdy enough to where I can just, you know, punch it through. Now let's do 2. Let's do 2 on either end, and let's say this is our first row. Like I said, I haven't even decided how this is going to end up. Let's put 2 more on this end. I hope that you're enjoying this sort of craft along style video. Please take a moment to like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I'd really love to hear from you in the comments below as well. And if you want more seasonal living and herbalism and other ways to connect your life to a nature-based and seasonal way of living, check me out over on Patreon. I would love to have you there. It's sometimes hard to find these holes after you done poked them. Well, where'd it go? There we go. Okay, we got our second one done. It's so pretty. Okay, so now what I want to do is tie this one. So now I'm trying to tie, I'll tie it between these 2. Let's see if this will work. Let us pray. Okay. And there we go. This turned out so cute. My beautiful little swag. Can you see it? You really are not getting how beautiful it is with the light showing through it. But you get the idea. It looks beautiful. You really can't get the beauty of the sun the way it shines through these citrus slices, but I think you get the gist. Get the idea, huh? This is a perfect reminder that the sun is on its way back. I love it. Like I said, you know, because of the light coming in, you really can't see how beautiful and bright they look. That was really a beautiful and relaxing way to spend an afternoon. And I hope you enjoyed it. And until I see you in the next video, take really good care of yourself and peace. So there you can kind of see the pretty brightness of it from a distance. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?